The allure of angel grass. My journey with Murdannia loriformis. For any houseplant enthusiast, the thrill of discovering a new, captivating species is unparalleled. Recently, that thrill came in the form of Murdannia loriformis, also known as angel grass. This captivating little plant, with its cascading emerald foliage and vibrant purple flowers, has quickly become a cherished member of my indoor jungle. Murdannia loriformis isn't just visually stunning. It boasts a surprising amount of resilience and adaptability. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a curious beginner, angel grass offers a rewarding introduction to the world of botanical companions. What is Murdannia loriformis? Murdannia loriformis, hailing from the tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, belongs to the Camelinaceae family. This fast-growing perennial is known for its cascading stems adorned with lush, elliptical leaves. The true magic unfolds during bloom, where vibrant, trumpet-shaped purple flowers emerge, adding a pop of color to the greenery. Why grow angel grass? Beyond its undeniable beauty, Murdannia loriformis offers several compelling reasons to grace your windowsill. Air purification. Studies suggest that angel grass can contribute to improved indoor air quality by filtering out common toxins. Low maintenance. This forgiving plant thrives with minimal fuss. Regular watering and occasional feeding are all it takes to keep it happy. Adaptability. Murdannia loriformis flourishes in a range of lighting conditions, from bright, indirect light to partial shade, making it suitable for various indoor environments. Fast-growing. Watch your angel grass transform your space in no time. Its rapid growth allows you to create a lush, cascading display within a few months. How to care for Murdannia loriformis. Murdannia loriformis thrives with a little TLC, but its needs are refreshingly simple. Light. Aim for bright, indirect light. South-facing windows are ideal, but the plant can tolerate partial shade as well. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water your angel grass when the top inch of soil feels dry to the touch. Overwatering is a leading cause of problems, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. Opt for a well-draining potting mix. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark provides excellent drainage and aeration. Humidity. While angel grass tolerates average indoor humidity, it thrives in a more humid environment. Grouping it with other plants, using a pebble tray filled with water, or employing a humidifier can create a more favorable environment. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied once every 2 weeks. Withhold fertilizer during the winter months. How to propagate Murdannia loriformis. Sharing the beauty of angel grass is easy. Here are 2 effective propagation methods. Stem cuttings. Take a 3 to 4 inch stem cutting with a few nodes. Remove the lower leaves and dip the cut end in rooting hormone, optional. Plant the cutting in a pot with moist, well-draining potting mix. Cover the pot with a plastic bag to maintain humidity and place it in bright, indirect light. Keep the soil moist and watch for new growth in a few weeks. Division. Carefully remove your angel grass from its pot and gently divide the root ball into sections, each with healthy stems and foliage. Repot each division in a separate pot with fresh potting mix and provide regular care as usual. What to plant with Murdannia loriformis. Murdannia loriformis plays well with others. Here are some compatible companions. Ferns. Ferns, with their delicate fronds, create a beautiful textural contrast with the cascading foliage of angel grass. Both plants appreciate similar humidity levels. Begonias. The vibrant blooms of begonias complement the purple flowers of Murdannia loriformis, adding a touch of color to your indoor display. Chinese evergreens. These low-light-tolerant plants share similar watering requirements with angel grass and can thrive together in a partially shaded corner. Final thoughts. The enduring appeal of angel grass. My journey with Murdannia loriformis has been a delightful one. Its easygoing nature, air-purifying properties, and captivating beauty have made it a cherished addition to my indoor haven. Whether you're a seasoned plant collector or a budding enthusiast, angel grass offers a rewarding and visually stunning introduction to the world of houseplants. So, why not invite a touch of serenity and vibrant allure into your home with this captivating little wonder?